This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will review the Bank of America Platinum Rewards credit card. This card offers a straightforward reward structure, letting you earn 5 points for every dollar you spend on all your purchases. Plus, you won't pay an annual fee, which is a great benefit. You can also take advantage of an introductory 0% APRA for 18 billing cycles on both purchases and balance transfers, providing flexibility for new cardholders. Understanding how to maximize your rewards is key. Each point you earn is generally worth 1 cent when you redeem it. You have several flexible options for using your points, including cash back, travel, or various gift cards. If you're a Bank of America Preferred Rewards member, you'll enjoy even higher earning rates, boosting your rewards by 25% to 75%, depending on your tier. Every card has its strengths and weaknesses. A major pro of this card is its simplicity. The flat-rate rewards are easy to track. The extended introductory APRA period is also a significant advantage for managing new purchases or consolidating debt. However, a potential drawback is the absence of a large sign-up bonus or premium travel benefits, which some other rewards cards offer. So, who is this card best suited for? It's particularly beneficial if you're already a Bank of America customer, especially if you qualify for their Preferred Rewards program, as your earning potential significantly increases. It's also a solid choice for anyone looking for a straightforward cashback card without an annual fee. For those seeking simple, consistent rewards, it's a strong contender. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.